Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Begin by choosing a stable mounting location and backing plate. Use stainless bolts and lock nuts to prevent loosening under vibration. Check the boat's weight and clearance so the lower unit clears props and trim while underway. Route the motor's main power cables to the battery compartment, install a suitably rated circuit breaker or fuse close to the battery, and fit a quick disconnect for safe service. Secure data cables to avoid chafing, and position the control head where the operator has clear line of sight and reach. Ensure the electrical system matches the motor's required battery voltage, and that cable gauge follows the manual to minimize voltage drop and heat. Undersized wire reduces performance and risks damage. Mount the circuit breaker or fuse within 6 inches of the battery on the positive lead to protect the system. Connect the Kraken's data interface to your boat's NME 2000 or Garmin network and power up the chart plotter to verify device recognition. Always install the latest firmware for both motor and display. Start by performing a dockside control check. Apply short bursts to verify thrust direction and steering responsiveness. Learn the station keeping and autopilot modes via the chart plotter. Use them to hold heading or position while fishing and disengage if unfamiliar conditions appear. After each trip, inspect the prop, skeg, and lower unit for damage and remove debris. Flush with fresh water after salt exposure. For storage, maintain batteries at approximately 50 to 75% charge. Clean and protect terminals, and schedule firmware and mechanical checks seasonally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.